element, class, and ID selectors genuinely target HTML3 real different ways, each with a different real specificity and use case. In this video you'll use all three. This real element selector genuinely targets every real div tag on the page, regardless of class or ID. This real class selector genuinely targets every element with class is equal to box, both the div and the p here. This real ID selector genuinely targets the one element with ID is equal to main. IDs genuinely must be unique per page. Element selectors genuinely target every matching tag. Class selectors genuinely target every element with that class. ID selectors genuinely target one unique element per page. Style the same element using an element, class, and ID selector. Ready to leave real notes in your CSS with comments?